Hello and welcome. Have you ever looked at a plastic water bottle and wondered how that clear, strong material is actually made? That plastic is called PET, which stands for polyethylene terephthalate, and today we are going to explore the fascinating chemical process that creates this incredibly common material. The journey to make PET begins with two primary ingredients, which chemists call monomers. You can think of them as the fundamental building blocks. The first is a chemical called ethylene glycol, which is a type of alcohol, similar in nature to the main component of car antifreeze. The second key ingredient is terephthalic acid, which in its pure form is a white, crystalline powder. These two relatively simple molecules are the essential starting point for our final polymer. The synthesis happens in two main stages. The first stage is called esterification. In this step, the ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid are mixed together in a large reactor. The mixture is then heated to a high temperature, typically between 240 and 260 degrees Celsius, under pressure. This heat and pressure cause the acid and alcohol molecules to react with each other. For every two molecules that react, one small molecule of water is created and removed. This reaction forms a new, slightly larger molecule, which is an intermediate product. The second, and final, stage is called polycondensation. Now that we have our intermediate molecules, the goal is to link them all together into a very long chain, which is what a polymer is. To do this, the temperature is increased even further, to around 270 to 280 degrees Celsius, and a strong vacuum is applied to the reactor. This vacuum is crucial because it helps to pull out any remaining byproducts, specifically excess ethylene glycol. As the intermediate molecules join together end to end, they release ethylene glycol, and the vacuum efficiently removes it, which drives the reaction forward to create even longer chains. This linking process happens over and over, thousands of times, until the chains are the desired length. The mixture becomes very thick and viscous, with a consistency similar to honey. This molten, honey-like substance is our finished PET polymer. To process it, this molten plastic is then pushed, or extruded, through small holes to form long, thin strands, a bit like spaghetti. These hot strands are immediately passed through a water bath to cool them down and solidify them. Finally, a machine chops these solid plastic strands into small, clear pellets. These PET pellets are the final raw product that is bagged and shipped to manufacturers, who will melt them down and mold them into the bottles, containers, and polyester fibers we use every single day. Thank you so much for watching and learning about this process with us. If you found this video helpful and interesting, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to support the channel. Your support really helps us create more content just like this. See you in the next video.